know you could do it.
Come on. Yay! All right, what's up, everybody? We are out near the port today, and we have the director of operations and the CEO with us. We're going to be doing some more magnet fishing. We have never been to this beautiful little park that we found. It has a few boat ramps, a huge walkway around here. It is Memorial Day, so we're going to be grilling, we're going to be magnet fishing, we're going to be chasing this baby around. We appreciate you all watching, as always. If anybody has any questions, needs a discount on a magnet, anything of that nature, there's more information in the description right down below. Thank you, guys. Guys, this place is amazing. I've never come across it. It's really not that far from home. This whole walkway all the way around here. We have a beach on the opposite side. We have multiple boat ramps. So we're just gonna start off around here, see if we can find anything while the little one's playing, and then we're gonna go cook some burgers. All right, let's just get jigging along this little one here, see what we can find. We ready to start cooking? All right. All right, we're gonna get this magnet out and go get some burgers. Oy, I got something there right when mommy calls me over. We got the first find of the day. Kind of old wire there. I don't know what that guy is. I don't know, but I'll take it. All right, everybody, we had ourselves some burgers. The ladies, if you can see them, are going around this walkway. I'm gonna go hit the little beach area over there. We're gonna drop out this magnet some more. Oh, what was that? What was that? Felt something. Did hit a little something. Just a little bolt there. I think there might have been a little more than that down there, though. Something hanging off of there. Looks like another bottle cap. I think that, yep. See the blue on it, Bud Light. What was that? Thought I got caught on a rock, but I think I'm pulling something. We are pulling something. What do we got? Big old bolt. All right, I'll take it. Oh, okay, that smacked something. Come here, we got it. Something hit it. I knew it smacked something. What is it? All right, well, what that little deal is. At all. We got this thing. I don't know what this is either. It's just falling apart, whatever it is. Probably old bolt, maybe old hook. Yeah, that's actually what it looks like. It is. Yeah, it's part of somebody's old chain. That's cool. All right, let's see what we can find right around the little boat ramp here. Never been here, so I don't know where the drop-off is, and I don't know if the end is metal, which would not be good. Oh, okay, we're pulling something. Right. Oh, it came off. There's the drop-off right there. And I think we hit something right on the drop-off. We did. What do we got there? I don't particularly know. It's all twisted to bits there. Now we know where the drop-off is. We'll throw right along it. I don't think there's metal on the end of it. Oh, and I just threw it back in the water. No. Come here. Thank you. What is it? 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 There's my pliers. Thank you very much. I will take those. It's actually a nice pair of channel locks. Perfect. Oh, look at that. No, they're done. They're done. Something else is on it. I've got a couple things. Got a fishing hook. Old bolt. This old piece of metal. I thought it was a knife blade, but just an old piece of metal there. How are you doing? Oh,
Hey, would you let me take your picture and put you on what's happening in Brevard page?
I would appreciate it. Sure.
You do it for other people to find their stuff they lost?
Well, it's the wife and I go out. She bought me a magnet a long time ago, and I do it all in Brevard County. Well, that is a knife blade right there. Look at that. Woo-wee. That is a heck of a knife blade right there. Woo. Oh-wee. Knife blade. Something else is on it. I don't even know what that is. It looks like a door hinge. Well, no, it opens up. I don't know what that deal is. It's metal and covered by rubber there. Probably splashing you all on my camera. Maybe it, I think it is a hinge from the boat. Oh, we got a jig on there too. And see that guy? There's another little jig. Nice. Anything somebody lost, I'm trying to find it. I like free stuff.
Yeah. Anything real good?
Once in a while we pulled out a couple guns.
Wow.
Couple stuff. Oh, something's on there right now.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Hey, that's what you want. Old trailer cross member.
Yeah, I find a lot of them. Those guys don't know where the end of the ramp is and break them off of there. Here it is. Come on. Come back out of there. Come on. Come back out of there. Yep, that's the whole middle. Somebody's trailer right there. Feel like a small boat trailer, a little sea-doo. All right. Woo! Full of water, and it's not light either. All right. Oh, there's something on there. I don't know what it is, but something on there. I don't know on that one. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? All right. Got a battery out of there. There is part of a fishing lure. No, it's not. I don't know what that is. It's a nail. That's part of a fishing lure. Some little hook. Look at that. Huh.
Hey, where'd you park at?
You ever find anything?
Oh yeah.
All the time?
A lot of times.
What's the best thing you've ever found?
At this point, it kind of depends. Oh, that's not good. Oh, you guys are going right there. That is not good. All right, everybody, I'm gonna drop this rope all the way down. I'm caught on something, but it's down in the bottom. So y'all can say, I'll wait till you're done.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine. It's all the way down. I'll have to go across on the other side and try to get it out. It's caught on the end of the ramp, I believe. Well, we are definitely caught on something now. We're gonna have to switch to the other side and see if we can get out. All right, we got it. We just had to go back to go on the other side and pull from a different angle. So we're not gonna do that again. All I care about is I got this magnet back. I would have gone in after it, but I bet the cop sitting behind me wouldn't have appreciated that. Yeah, it's been down there for a minute. Looks like part of another part of that trailer or something. What's that? That's a big old bolt. Ooh, yeah, a lot deeper over here. What? Dig along here for a little bit, see if we can find anything. Kind of feels heavy. We got something on there. There's a tow strap and a lighter. Yep, here's an old Bic lighter that's been down there. End of a big old tow strap. I'll take that. What do we got? Something's on there. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is either. Bunch of random stuff. What is that? Something else. There's the rest of something. Is that another tow strap? Yep, another tie down strap there. It's been down there forever. All right, add that to the bucket.
Daddy!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you see this little water bug is drenched and ready to go. So we're gonna pack everything up. I'm gonna get my girls home. Thank you as always for everybody watching. And remember, get up, late. And remember, get up, get out, go find yourself. We'll see you all in the next episode. Peace out, guys. Can you do that one more? Can you say bye?
Bye!
Bye.